9 elements of design in the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my weekly YouTube videos and blog posts, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. And I recently released or published my latest planner, the 2025 Divine Life and Home Planner. Detailed about the planner and the course will be in the description box below. So for this week, I would like to welcome you to week 13 of the Weekly Declutter Challenge. This week, we're going to declutter our CDs, DVDs, and Blu-rays. I know you're thinking this is 2025, who still has those? Well, if you do not have them, then this is an easy week for you. But if you do have them, we have work to do. So the first thing we're going to do is gather all of our CDs, DVDs, and Blu-rays. And we want to make sure they're actually in working order. So the ones that are scratched or bent or broken, we'll just go ahead and set those to the side. We're not even going to deal with that at all. We're just going to set it to the side, and those will be properly disposed of. Now, we should be left with a working stack. So the ones that are working, we're going to go through and look at the titles. First, let's ask ourselves, have we even watched any of these in the last 10 years? More likely, if you have any type of streaming service, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, Roku TV, any of those things, you probably have watched your streaming things. But I'm not going to lie to you, sometimes there are those movies that are not available on streaming, or if they are, you have to buy them. And if you still have a DVD Blu-ray player, you can actually watch those things. So let's determine if we've actually watched any of these CDs or listened to any of the CDs and watched any of the DVDs and Blu-rays. So now, since we've separated the ones that we just have to keep, let's see if those are on streaming. If they are on streaming, on a device or a service that you use or can use, let's go ahead and move that to the recycled section. I know you're thinking, what about those CDs or DVDs or Blu-rays that hold some type of sentimental value? And I do understand. About 10 years ago, I went to a listening party for Angie Stone at the House of Blues, and she gave everyone an autographed copy of her latest CD. I want to say it was like The Art of Love and War. And that CD means so much to me. You know, Angie Stone, we lost her a few weeks ago. And for me to actually have something that was autographed for her, I'm not getting rid of that. I'm not donating that. I'm not recycling it. I'm not trashing it. So yes, there are going to be things like that that you may want to keep. And maybe things such as like your wedding CD or your kid's first birthday DVD. You can go ahead and see if you can get those things put on a digital form. And if you have them on a digital form, make sure it's something that you can keep and utilize or watch at a later version or at a later time. So anywho, after you've gotten everything kind of separated, so those Blu-rays, DVDs, and CDs that are in good working condition, you still have maybe the cases or the covers to them, you can actually donate those. You can donate those to libraries, nursing homes. You'll be surprised places that will still want these things. So don't just throw them away. I would definitely donate them. And then also you're going to keep your ones that have sentimental value. Maybe you can put those in your lockbook or just someplace where you keep those most treasured things. And last and not least, the ones that are broke and scratched, you will properly dispose of those. So I really hope this challenge is something that you find useful and helpful. I know a lot of people don't have CDs or DVDs or Blu-rays anymore, but for those of you who do, this is something that we definitely need to do because it does take up a lot of space, and we want to make sure that we're living in a less cluttered home, less cluttered life. So as we conclude week 13 of the Weekly Declutter Challenge, let's complete this week and look forward to the next few weeks. We still have several weeks left in this year to work on our decluttered home. So please share this information with your friends, with your family. Let them know about the Weekly Declutter Challenge. They can follow us on Instagram and also this YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description or the comment section below. I would love to answer your questions. And you're also invited to join the private Facebook community. So thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.